They have finally come, my custom vans that I designed on their website. There was about 6-week delivery time on these, so we're going to open them up right here. Just put this out of the way. Right, scissors. See how they look. And we got another box. Okay, so I think there's going to be another box in this box. These are the High Skate Pro. Apparently the Pro version has better support around the edges of the canvas, and it doesn't rip as much as the other ones. Oh look, we've got a fancy bag. What else is in the box? Thank you for supporting our heritage with your Vans custom made order. Vans Customs have been designed a traditional since 1966, and 50 years later Vans continues to offer original products. What else we got? Oh, cool. This is the design. So, I wonder if you can see this. This is the design that I made. Nice flower on the bottom. And then on the left hand shoe it says E-Skate. On the right it says Freedom. You can pick whatever parts you want. So I guess that was to tell the machines what to pick. So, nice bag. I've never got Vans with a bag before. Custom made. Very nice. That's good. So there's an extra set of laces. So yeah, there's the laces on them, and then you get another standard set. So I'm just going to bring the camera around here and we'll show you it. This is the left one here. E-Skate Freedom. It's a Facebook skating page I'm on. Pro Classics. Very nice. I'm just going to stop this video real quick and I will tie the laces up to see how they look. So I've got the laces in now. You can see so on the inside it says these are the Pro version. From what I was reading, the Pro version, here is my old shoes. I've had these for about 14 months, and the last 7 months I was wearing them every day. So they've probably went hundreds of miles, and I've been skating in them an awful lot on my electric skateboard. You can see where you're bending here, that breaks. Apparently on these ones, it's thicker here, so it doesn't split. So the weak parts on these standard skate shoes, this is the weak part. Yeah, on the other side here, so a small crack here forming. Same on the other side. Got these in Toronto last year, and it's kind of cool because they were a match, but they're odd. But it is meant to be like that. So reinforced here. let's get them on and see how they look on the board. Here they are. So, was it worth the money? Yes, absolutely. If you want to have a custom one-off pair of shoes that no one has probably designed in this exact way before, then yeah, get yourself on the Vans website. You can just go to customized shoe, you get to pick all the different patterns. Do whatever you want, pick a name. You can actually have, whatever you want on the left shoe at the back, whatever you want on the right shoe at the back. I just picked Escape Freedom because it's a Facebook skating page I'm on. So it was about £105. Yeah, get yourself on, get some shoes. If you're local, Bangor, Belfast, that direction, get yourself on eRideNI on Facebook. And there's a lot of guys there. We have onewheels, there's electric longboards, there's a guy on trampa, electric scooters. So yeah, we arrange local rideouts. Titanic area, Donegal last week it was. And yeah, just meet up, have a big ride out around the area. And you'll be able to check out my shoes for real, perhaps.